Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of portable entertainment with the all-new Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. Buckle up, because this little powerhouse is about to blow your mind. In just 60 seconds, I'll show you why this tablet is a game-changer for your on-the-go entertainment needs. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. The Fire HD8 boasts an 8-inch HD display that's perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or getting lost in a good ebook. But here's where it gets exciting. This bad boy comes with 3 GB of RAM, making multitasking smoother than ever before. No more lag when switching between apps or browsing the web. Now, let's talk storage. With 32 GB of internal memory, you've got plenty of space for all your apps, games, and media. But wait, there's more. If you're a digital hoarder like me, you'll love that you can expand the storage up to 1 TB with a microSD card. That's right, folks, a whole terabyte of entertainment in your pocket. But what really sets this tablet apart is its design. Available in sleek black, vibrant emerald, and eye-catching hibiscus, there's a color to match every personality. And let me tell you, it feels great in your hands, lightweight and portable. Perfect for those long commutes or lazy days in bed. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about battery life? Well, Amazon's got you covered. With up to 13 hours of mixed-use battery life, you can binge-watch an entire season of your favorite show without breaking a sweat. And when it's time to juice up, the USB-C port makes charging a breeze. Let's talk about the Fire OS for a second. It's user-friendly and intuitive, with easy access to all your favorite streaming services like Prime Video, Netflix, and Disney+. Plus, with Alexa built-in, you can control your smart home devices or get answers to your burning questions with just your voice. But here's the kicker: the price. At just a fraction of the cost of other tablets on the market, the Fire HD8 delivers incredible value for your money. It's perfect for students, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a reliable tablet without breaking the bank. So, there you have it, folks. The Amazon Fire HD8 tablet, in all its glory. It's fast, it's fun, and it's ready to take your portable entertainment game to the next level. Whether you're a movie buff, a bookworm, or a casual gamer, this tablet has something for everyone. Don't just take my word for it, though. Head over to Amazon and check out the thousands of positive reviews from satisfied customers. And if you're ready to join the Fire HD8 family, use the link in the description below to get yours today. Trust me, your entertainment life will never be the same. That's all for now, tech lovers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more gadget goodness. Until next time, keep on streaming.